Hello friends, it's me Asir. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So today in this video I'm going to discuss that how can you set a VPS to your computer. So this is a very short video and I hope you will understand. This is a very easy process. So if you buy VPS from our FX school or whatever company you use, it doesn't matter. Basically all the company VPS setup procedure is same. Okay, so if you buy VPS from FX school, our FX school, then we will send you details to your email, and there you will get IP address and administrator name, I mean the computer name, and also a password. And now I'm going to show you how can you set a VPS to your computer by these details. Okay, let's begin. So basically when you buy the VPS, and then in the email maybe after buy 1 hour or 2 hour you will get some details, and in the details there you will get one is the administrative name or computer name, and also a IP address and the password. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how can you set a VPS to your computer. Okay, so this is very easy. So first you just go to your computer search button, and there you just type REMOTE. so then you can see that the option, the remote desktop connection. Okay, so then click here. So there, then you will go see the option, the show options. Click here, and in the computer there you have to write your IP. Like when in the email address there you will get a number like this kind of number, then there you have to put the number, and also in the username you will get a name like administrator or administrative, some kind of name maybe you will get. So then you just type the administrator and then tick here and save. And then if you click the connect, then it will ask you for a password. Okay, so when you put the password, so basically this is my old VPS, that's why it's not asked me to change the password. It will directly and take me to the VPS. But if it is new for you, then it will ask you to set your password, because if you take VPS from me and then we don't know your password at the beginning. The password we give you, and when you give the enter, you just use this password one time, and when you logged in you need to set a password by yourself, whatever you want. Okay, so then click the remember me and click OK. So then it will take you to the VPS, and now you can see this is the another computer come to my computer. So there, if you take our VPS, then you can use 25 MT4 account with together. So there you can see I run many MT4 like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So almost 19 MT4 running in my computer. Sorry, not in computer, in the VPS. So one thing you have to remember, so when you take exit from the VPS, you don't need to close the MT4. Okay, so there you can see a close option. If you click the close option, then it will go. Okay, so basically my computer wallpaper and my VPS computer wallpaper is same, so that's why I don't make confused. Okay, so so I think you understand that how to set a VPS and how to use it, and this is very easy process. So also if you don't understand anything, you can ask me. Okay, bye, have a good day. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.